So innovation is moving quickly, especially in this field. And as we bring more and more solutions to the table, it's our job as the experts in this field to allow governments to get the data and the information they need to make their decisions quickly so that we can help our customers and the food supply chain. The policy team is in a unique position because we have to deal with government officials every day, and they get a lot thrown at them. So we need to be the experts in our field and present to them the best information possible so that they can trust us as a resource, but also go back to their colleagues and be a trusted resource for them. So when I meet with our customers and the things we discuss about sustainability, healthier animals, they're asking us to work on programs and policies that are going to make them more efficient, but also use less natural resources and bring a healthier animal to the market. We're going to bring solutions to the table that are creating a more efficient and sustainable food supply chain, but also using less natural resources such as water, energy, feed. We're also benefiting the workforce because it takes less people to take care of the same amount of animals. Healthier animals create a healthier environment. It's exciting. I feel like we are bringing solutions to the table that no other company has at their disposal, but also we're leading that charge, not only from a technology perspective, but a policy aspect. At the end of the day, it's extremely gratifying to see the policies that I've worked on benefit the farmers, the ranchers, the health of the animals, and the environment. That's a really good day.